The volume particle tracker is a monoclass that enables you to track particles of a specific particle system and represent them as voxels in a text 3D volume box. This component is automatically initialized and released. The particle tracker tool can be used to display various simple liquids or fluids in Unity. As the Raymarcher provides the possibility to use custom materials, there are limitless possibilities for how the volume particles will look like. Let's create a simple liquid using the particle tracker. Create a text 3D volume box, create a PBR material, and assign the material to the volume box. Add a particle tracker component to the volume and create a particle system. Adjust the particle system so that it looks like the drops of water are falling down. Now select the object with the particle system again, assign the target volume box and a target particle system. And you can slowly see the particles start to appear in the volume as voxels. I will disable the particle system renderer so we can only see the voxels. The points seem a bit small, so I will play around with the parameters to see the best results. That seems fine. Now let's enable the scene refraction so it looks a bit more like a water liquid. That seems better. You can now manipulate the volume particles inside the bounding box. Scaling up the volume box will also scale the voxels, so you need to define a higher resolution of the volume box. If you start to see holes or weird artifacts, increase the Raymarcher render iterations on the main renderer and decrease the volume precision a bit. With this technique, you can easily create stylized smoke fluid. Just play around with the particle system and materials. Integrate real-time voxel-based particles into your environment and create a unique look. That was everything about the Raymarcher particle tracker. Thanks for watching and good luck!